part 2 or episode 2 of house tours. We are moving in August. If you didn't watch my last video, go ahead and watch it. I'm gonna plug it here. So, or here, I think it's here. So I'm gonna plug it here. But yeah, so this is part 2. We're moving in August. It's a little early. It's May, so we're just starting to look and see what's available, see what we like, see what we need. So this is part 2. We are at a second house. We are literally like our third house, but we were literally like 3 minutes down the road from the last house that we saw in the last episode. This is Highland Park. We are off of, we're not far from Mallard Creek Church Road. So this is 2120 Highland Park Drive. Yeah, this is the street sign right there. It's right by the front of the neighborhood. So I'm not sure how I like that, but we're gonna go inside and check it out and see how we're feeling about this one, and then we're gonna rate it 1 through 10. Okay, so this is the house. You walk in, you got stairs in the living room. So in the living room there is a fireplace. Really high open ceilings, which is nice. The room's a little small in my opinion because of our couch is huge, so it's a little tight in here. Have like a dining room space and the kitchen, and then there is a small pantry here. Again, with this counter, with the cabinets, I don't really like the cabinet color, but got a dishwasher, double sink, which is nice. Lots of cabinet space. Well, actually, it's not that much cabinet space now that I think about it. Microwave, stove, nice. Perimeter, another like eatery place space. You go outside, and this is like what we're in love with about this house is this yard. This yard is huge. This yard is really big. So yeah, the yard is really big, so that's something that I really like. It's got a nice rose bush back here. Our dogs will have a ball back here. This is a bathroom, half bath, right off the kitchen. This is the laundry and the garage door. So your dryer goes here, washer goes here, so they're not right next to each other, which is fine. And then this is a coat closet. Come on, focus. There we go. This is a coat closet, and this is a primary bedroom. So it's a decent size. I feel like our room at home is a little bigger than this though. The room we have at home already. Dual sinks, which is a must, but this looks a little outdated. It's very yellow. Toilet, shower, tub, love the window, and then this is the closet. It's really dark in here, the lights are off, but yeah, so it's got a couple of racks. This is definitely good for my purses. This would definitely be where my purses will go if we moved in here, so definitely be that for. Not a big fan of the carpet. I wish it didn't have carpet, but whatever. And then we're gonna go upstairs. All right, go up the stairs. There's a banister, ceiling fan. You got a nice overview of the living room. So if I was up here doing something and Tyson called me from downstairs, I could see her. And then up here, there's a nice loft space for the ceiling fan. This is a big, nice loft space. This is really nice. We really like this area. This is dope. And then, ooh, I'm out of breath. Daggone stairs. There's a bathroom. Not crazy about it, but it is what it is. Bathroom. Here is another bedroom. This is a nice size bedroom. We actually really like this room. I like this room a little bit better than the master bedroom, strangely enough. But it's got a nice closet. It goes pretty far, so it's a nice size. And then there is one more bedroom. This is the last bedroom. This one also has a ceiling fan. There's one window in here, so it's a little dark in here. But it also has a fan, vaulted ceilings in here again. And then this one also has a nice walk-in closet that is pretty darn big. nice size closet. I keep wanting to turn this room, like into like a doggy apartment. Put like, maybe just for Nola, because she don't seem to want Roman to have one, but could put her bed in there and some other stuff, her crate. But yeah, so back downstairs and out the front door. And then this is the front. I'm not a big fan of this pathway, but it's okay. Tree in the yard, nice big window. So with this house, Tyson, what do you give it? You said
7.5.
7.5. I'm going 7. This one's not
too bad, but she
wasn't too bad, but we definitely liked the last one, the two from last episode, better than this one.
Yeah. Even that first house, even though it was like outdated.
Yeah.
It's still.
This one, all the sinks in the bathrooms are outdated. The bathrooms just look outdated and dirty, to be honest. The living room was really small, in my opinion. They could have not had 2 eating places and just had one large living room. The backyard was phenomenal.
Yes.
That's given like most of the points. The backyard is phenomenal. It does have the space that we need, and it has the 4 bedrooms.
Up there
the loft was dope. We love that. So it has some pluses, it has some minuses, but for us, this one is just not. This ain't it. So on to the next house. We'll catch y'all in a little bit when we get there. All right, so we're at the next house. This is 5522 Black Fox Court Drive, something like that. First thing we noticed, it only has 1 car garage. 1 car garage is not enough for us. We have 2 cars. I don't want our cars outside, so I like that it's a brick house. Well, there's brick on the front. So you walk in, nice big living room. We love this living room. We love the downstairs. The downstairs took the cake. It's great. Okay. So you walk in, coat closet right at the front door, which is nice. Ceiling fan in the living room. Nice big window in the front. Again, it's that millennial gray color. This bathroom is very, very nice. This is such a nice bathroom. Nice granite countertop. We love that. Tyson hates pedestal sinks, so this is really nice. I love that. Toilet, of course, nothing really special or fancy with the toilet. It's not Jane's toilet from Bob's Burgers, so it's not something special. So this is like the kitchen, eating space. So this is the dining space here. Nice little dining space here. The kitchen is beautiful. We love the kitchen. It's really nice and bright. White cabinets. It's got a refrigerator, microwave. It's got a double oven, which I have not seen in a rental property before. Double oven, cooktop, cool. Love the countertops. Countertops are nice. Love the color. The dark countertops with the white. That's really nice. A lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space. Nice size. Oh, this is not a pantry. I thought this was a pantry. Washer and dryer. Oh, that's a problem. This one comes with a washer and dryer. We have one, so they will have to take that out. And then this door goes to the garage. And like I said, 1 car garage. We still have a nice workbench in there. That's cool, but it's just too small. We need a 2-car garage. I do like all the storage options that are in here, but it's unfortunately just too small for us. But yeah, so we loved this kitchen. This kitchen's really nice. There's a window right above the sink. I love that. I love that. So refrigerator's nice and big. That's a nice fridge. This is really nice. I would definitely put like a coffee bar or a tea bar right here, because we definitely like coffee and tea. Backyard has a deck. This is dope. We love the deck. It's a nice size deck. It's got some plants over here. I'm pretty sure there's some poison ivy and some poison oak over there, so that would have to get taken care of. But there's some plants over here, which is cool. It's fenced in. It's like the what do you call the poor man's fence? I think that's what they're called technically. But there's some fence and there's lots of grass in this yard. There's a shed back here. I don't know what's up with that. I probably wouldn't even go in there because I don't know what's in there. But this is nice. Definitely have to worry about, like, see, I'm pretty sure that's poison. I'm pretty sure this is poison, and our dogs would be trying to touch that and stuff. So, but the house is actually kind of dirty. It needs to be power washed, but that's something that we can fix. But the kitchen, we love the kitchen. The kitchen's absolutely gorgeous. So that's the downstairs. Major points on the first floor. The first floor was dope. Unfortunately, that's where it ends. Go upstairs and I will show you why we don't like the upstairs. What happened with the upstairs? One, there's carpet on the stairs. There's no carpet anywhere else in this house. Why is there carpet on the stairs? I'm gonna slip and fall. I'm clumsy. So you get upstairs. At the top of the stairs, on your left, is a room. And okay, this is cool, right? You're like, why is this? Why aren't they liking this? Okay, this was cool. Nice size room. I guess maybe guest room or exercise or whatever. The closet is a really decent size closet. Like this is, you could really do some stuff with it. The dresser in here and all the shoes and bags and stuff. It's a nice closet. When we walk down the hall, there's a room on your left. It's tiny. Like this room is very small. See the window? It's a standard size window. That's how big the room is. Like this is a small room. Then there's another small room. These are really small rooms. That's the only thing they're saying it's 3-4 bedroom. Okay, that's great, but the rooms are tiny. So this one is a 4-bedroom, but they're small. Bathroom, love the oval mirror. Again with the granite countertops, is matching all the bathrooms. All the kitchen have this. All the kitchen, all the bathrooms have this. Love this. This is very nice. Standard shower, tub, whatever. This is the hallway bathroom. And then a linen closet. So this is the hallway. And then the master bedroom, again, small. It's not super small, but we have a king size bed, and honestly, it's a king size bed and 2 big nightstands. Not real big, but we have a king size bed and nightstands. We're not gonna fit in this room. This room's too small for our stuff. And then the closet, it's not bad. But with the 2 of us, we would probably not be able to fit all of our stuff in here because there are 2 of us. And then we would have to split or take a closet from another room, which is not something that we really would do because we've already had to do that, and that's already been a hassle. This is a big letdown right here. There's 1 sink in the primary bathroom. The ensuite has 1 sink. The tub and the shower are attached, as you have seen in the last 3 houses that we looked at. What we're looking for, separate tub, separate shower. This is a nice size tub, though. This tub is a nice size. Love that there's a medicine cabinet for, storage and skincare and all types of stuff. Flame her the toilet, again with the sink and the countertop and the sink. Great. And the bathroom mirror. I like this. This is fine. It's just that there's only 1, and that is a big problem for us. That's a huge problem for us. We're already having issues with being in the bathroom at the same time, and when we're getting dressed to go out and stuff, trying to get ready takes us longer because we're trying to use the same sink. So no bueno, don't like that. But the downstairs, we love the downstairs in this house. So like the major cons, 1 car garage, 1 sink in the master bathroom, small rooms, like really small rooms. So
Kitchen is nice.
the kitchen, we love this kitchen. There's so much counter space. It comes with a microwave, so we don't have to put a microwave in here, so it's not on the counter and taking up space. It's a really, really lovely kitchen. We really like the kitchen, but like I said, unfortunately, this one is not gonna work for us. I like that there's no carpet in the bedrooms and then there's carpet everywhere else. And then the stairs having carpet is weird to me. Like there's no carpet anywhere else in this house. None of the bedrooms have carpet. None of the bathrooms have carpet. It's just the stairs, which is really weird. So we like this one, but unfortunately, this ain't gonna work either. So out of 10, what you say?
Huh?
Out of 10, how you voting it?
I would give this one a solid 7.
I'm gonna have to bump it way down, to be honest. I'm gonna have to give it a 5 because it misses a lot of the key points we need.
Okay.
As far as the garage, the bathroom, the space of the rooms, the closet space, you know, all that stuff, it just misses a lot. So for me, I'm gonna have to say this is a 5 and this is a definite no for me. So that's it for today. We're gonna head home. Maybe we might go film another episode. I don't know, we're gonna see. But that's it for right now. Thanks for watching. Tune into our next video. Soon we'll have like an apartment series coming up too, so keep an eye out for that, because we are looking to see maybe some apartments might give us what we need, or maybe we'll fall in love with an apartment or something. So we're gonna check that out too, so that'll be an upcoming series as well. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.